Hello friends, many of you might be wondering how to earn a little extra money while studying at home. In today's video, I have brought for you 5 of the best online income methods that students can easily do. We're talking about side hustles that can bring in some serious cash without interfering with your studies. These are things anybody can do, and I'm going to break them down step by step so you can start earning today. You guys ready to make some money? Let's do this. First up, we've got freelancing. Imagine this. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere you want. Your dorm room, your favorite coffee shop, even in your pajamas. That's the beauty of freelancing. There are tons of websites out there like Upwork and Fiverr that connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Whether you're a writing whiz, a coding ninja, a graphic design guru, or a social media master, there's a gig out there for you. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Do you have a knack for creating killer Instagram captions? Boom! Social media management could be your calling. Are you a grammar nerd who can spot a typo a mile away? Content writing is your jam. The best part? You can choose projects that fit your schedule and interests. No more boring summer jobs or soul-crushing part-time gigs. Freelancing lets you turn your passions into profits. Next up, we're diving into the world of YouTube. If you're passionate about something, anything, you can turn that passion into a money-making channel. Gaming, makeup tutorials, tech reviews, study tips, comedy skits. The possibilities are endless. The key is to create high-quality content that people actually want to watch. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy camera or editing software to get started. Just start filming with your phone and keep it real. Be yourself, have fun, and engage with your viewers. As you grow your audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Imagine getting paid to talk about something you love. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, a science guru? If you've got a knack for explaining things and a passion for learning, online tutoring might be the perfect side hustle for you. There are tons of platforms out there like Chegg Tutors and TutorMe that connect students with tutors in various subjects. You can set your own rates, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and help others succeed in their studies. It's a win-win. Plus, tutoring helps you reinforce your own knowledge and develop valuable communication and teaching skills. Who knows, you might even inspire a future generation of learners. If you've got a way with words, blogging and content writing could be your ticket to online income. Whether you're passionate about travel, food, fashion, technology, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to read what you have to say. Start by creating your own blog on platforms like WordPress or Medium. Share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise in engaging and informative blog posts. As your blog gains traction, you can monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. You can also offer your writing services to other businesses and websites as a freelance content writer. The demand for high-quality written content is higher than ever, so if you've got the writing chops, this could be a lucrative side hustle. Let's face it, we live in a digital world, and businesses are constantly looking for ways to boost their online presence. That's where you come in, social media superstar. Social media management is all about creating engaging content, managing social media accounts, and interacting with followers on behalf of businesses and brands. If you're a natural at crafting witty tweets, snapping eye-catching Instagram photos, or sparking conversations online, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can find social media management gigs on freelancing platforms or reach out directly to businesses in your area. With a little creativity and social media savvy, you can turn your scrolling time into earning time. These were the 5 best online income methods for students. You can start with whatever you're good at or interested in. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And I will bring more new income ideas for you, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you liked the video, give it a like and share it. Thanks for watching till the end. See you again in the next video.